This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable video previews in the YouTube app using an iOS device. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone open now and I am logged into the YouTube app. To enable or disable video previews is where your thumbnail automatically starts playing videos. To enable it or disable it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner you want to tap on that little gear wheel. Then you want to tap on General. Then you want to scroll all the way down towards the bottom where you see it says Playback in Feeds. As you can see, mine has been toggled off, but you want to tap on Playback in Feeds. And it gives you three options. The video previews can be always on, it can be on Wi-Fi only, or as you can see, I have mine turned off. That is how to enable or disable video previews in the YouTube app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.